What's going on, everybody? This is Matthew, aka Side Hustle Dad, and I wanted to make this quick review video on Digital Wealth Academy, DWA, 122.8 thousand members globally at the time of making this video. All right, 7/22/2025. Now, this course right here is an in-depth course that's going to teach you A through Z on how to do digital and affiliate marketing correctly, right? Teaches 15 streams of income. You can see you've got a classroom section, you've got the calendar section, a members area. It comes in different languages, right? If you go right over here to the classroom, it's going to show you everything that you're going to get inside from, where to start, the mindset, digital marketing basics, the foundation, the digital product crash course, DWA affiliate program, the pre-launch, setting up your beacon store or setting up funnels, other ways, using System.io, Stand Store, email marketing. The beautiful thing about this course right here is 15 streams of income, and it's going to teach you multiple ways to get to the bag, right? What I love about this is if you already have a product or service or something that you provide, this is going to teach you how to market it better. The ultimate branding guide, right? Attraction marketing, so you're not chasing anybody. People are coming to you. People are asking more about what it is that you have and what you offer. Faceless marketing, so for people that want to do faceless and not show their face, we show you how to do that. We even have a men's section, right? Men's digital marketing, because a lot of women are in this space, but men are crushing it as well, right? Creating your own digital product, everything reels, content creation, CapCut editing, photography, videography. We also have Canva Essentials, full business automations, maintaining loyal customers, legally protect your business, affiliate marketing, everything TikTok. That means TikTok shop, everything TT related, connecting and converting on TikTok lives, right? Because there are people that just do TikTok lives and have a lot of success, right? UGC, that stands for user generated content. Brands will actually send you items for free. You make a video on it, you get paid. How to create and sell your own digital products, high ticket sales, drop shipping, chat GPT for business, all things Pinterest, all things YouTube, monetizing with Amazon, print on demand, blending two businesses. So if you have more than one offer, how to do that and do that correctly. For those of you that are new here, I teach people how to get into this business and how you can do it around your 9 to 5, guys. You do not have to stop what you're doing to make this work around your 9 to 5. In fact, I've been able to generate $55,000 around my schedule in the pockets of my time because of digital and affiliate products that I did not create, guys. So if you want to know more information, I'm going to simply leave a link below. You can check out. It's going to give you the free guide. Look at $4,500 in sales within 4 weeks. Look, this is Jasmine, 100K in sales, right? These are real people, real results. Okay, $2,900. Okay, look at, guys, if you want to be a part of this, 300K. Look at, I just celebrated 1 year with DWA, and from just DWA alone, I've made well over 300K in 12 months. To God be the glory, okay? You absolutely can do this, but it first starts with you taking action and just getting started, guys. What's the saying? You don't have to be great to start. You just have to start to be great, okay? If you want to check it out, like I said, go to the description below. I'm going to leave a link for you to check out. Installment plans are available. This costs $497 one time, guys. Most people start with an installment plan, so for as little as $0 down, $41 a month. Don't let a 2-figure investment stop you from making 4 figures or more a month. Look at 5.7K in 10 days. What? Come on now. Come on now. Look at that. Guys, anything's possible. You can do this too, okay? Guys, again, go to the description, check it out more in detail, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's get it.